Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to download and install Ledger Live on your phone. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course. This video will be made for iPhone users, so this will be on the App Store as you can see. But now let's see how you can download the Ledger Live application. So here, first of all, when you open the App Store, you have the Today, where you can check out some Today apps, the games, you have all the apps, arcade, and the search bar. And here, you just need to go into the search bar and type in Ledger, so L-E-D-G-E-R, and then Live. And here, as you can see, you have it. You need to click on the application. And now, what you need to do is click on Get. Now, double click. And the application will start downloading. So while it is downloading, you can go and check out the ratings, the age, category, and all of those things. You can go here, check out the reviews and a lot of things that you can, as you can see here, of course, you have the app privacy and a lot of more things that you can go and check out while it is, of course, downloading. So the category developer, the size of the application, maybe you don't have memory and those things. Now, when it downloaded, as you can see, you have the button which says open. You just need to click on the open and your app will be then open, and of course it is installed instantly. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.